friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we solve guys this color correction setting. Guys you can see guys your phone screen color and guys you want to solve guys your colors screen color problem. So friends how can you solve it? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So friends you can see guys your screen color is different and guys how can you solve it? In this video I will show you friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to solve guys your screen color problem. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your icon color also different. So when click on your special function setting then tap here and guys again scroll guys you can see accessibility then tap here and guys scroll it and once you can see color correction setting then tap here and guys you can see guys about color correction guys you want to solve this problem you can solve from here. Use color correction right side this blue icon guys tap here to solve this problem. Then guys this problem will solve and guys you can see your icon color is normal. So a problem is solved and guys you can use guys your phone screen and guys you can use your phone without this color problem setting. So are you fans you have understood how to solve color correction in our Tecno phones? That's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.